Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm taking some steps to make this car feel brand new again. There's a lot of stuff missing with this car. So some of the stuff that I ordered that I talked about in the last video have come in, and I'm gonna go ahead and put them on. So there's three things that I'm putting on today. One of them, a door handle. This is for the interior, and this is the third one that I'm going through. Every time I get a new door handle, I put it in. Someone yanks on it and it just breaks. These things are super cheap and like they're not really good material, I guess, because this is the third one. The other thing I got is some sort of like a kit for the rear wiper. If you have a 350Z, you know people just take out their rear wipers. I think it looks cleaner. I don't really care for it. Like it just looks out of place, if you ask me. So I took it off, and this is a cover kind of thing that covers that spot, so when it rains, you don't get any rain inside the trunk. So I'm gonna put this on. I have the door handle, I'm gonna put that on. Also, I bought this like big, like wide angle, I think, like a wide mirror, like a rear view mirror. I think it looks cool. Plus, the 350 has terrible vision from the rear view mirror. Also has a lot of blind spots. This kind of helps prevent it. So, this is not like an install video of all of this stuff. These are simple stuff that you could this one literally like snaps on. I'm just putting it on and I want to make a video out of it. So this is not like an install video, but it's just me making a video. So if you're enjoying my videos, then keep watching. If not, leave. I don't know. Go watch something else. I'm gonna do more of the easy ones first, which is this mirror, also this door handle. So I'm going inside the car. So if you don't know which, this is the door handle inside the 350. Goes in like this. There's two bolts from here. There's a piece of the old one here. I just need to remove that and make sure there's nothing inside there. You don't have to take this panel off at all. For my case, it's just, see how the old one is broken and the piece is still here? I just need to take it out so I can take out this old piece. I don't even know why I'm explaining this. This is pretty straightforward. It's just, there's a screw spot, you put it in, screw it on, that's it. It's just the door handle. And just like that, we're done here. Door handle is back in place. Next up, I'm gonna do that mirror over there, and we'll see how that goes. So this mirror should be pretty straightforward. I think it just clips onto the existing mirror. So yeah, just like I just messed it up. Just like I expected, there's just clips in the mirror. You can extend, and it just literally goes over this one. Alright, I put it on as well. This is what it looks like, and you get a much wider angle in the back. Also, I kind of think it looks pretty cool. So there's that. That's just what it is. So the last and final thing that I'm doing today is the rear wiper delete, blocking the whatever. So I already took off the rear wiper, and then you have to take off this panel under the trunk, and you should have access to the bottom. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So what's also there is the rear wiper motor. I'm not gonna have a rear wiper anymore, so I'm gonna take out the motor as well. Don't need it. Save myself some weight off the trunk. This is what the rear window motor looks like. I just took it off. The cables are still there. I'm just gonna tape them to the trunk so I don't have to chase it all the way back to the front. So just taking this out now. So now that we have no screw here, there's just this empty hole. There we go. So our new part looks something like this. There's two sides to it. This part goes on top, this part goes on the bottom, and they clip in the middle like this. And we have some hardware, and I think these are some sort of like rubber gaskets or something. So you put it on each side so that you get no rain in the middle or water. Alright, now that that's all tied up, it looks much cleaner. It does say come on or something on there, but I'm probably gonna just clean that off with like black marker or something. I'll cover it up. But that looks much cleaner. Everything that I used in this video will be linked in the description below, by the way. if you want to get any of those stuff. It'll be down below. I feel like I'm the king of all these cheap ass mods. They're just small details and they're cheap and it just makes the whole thing better. I don't know. I feel like it's good for the car. And that will be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. These are small details. They're not really worth making, I guess, like a whole video about it. If you ask me, I think small details make the whole bigger picture way better. So these are 3 small details that I did. We did the mirror, door handle, and the wiper delete. Door handle doesn't count. This is what's supposed to be on your car. Again, mine is missing a lot of stuff. So there's that. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like the video. If you aren't subscribed, consider subscribing. Also, if you don't like the video, go ahead and dislike it. But that'll be it. I'll see you guys in another episode. Peace.